wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wedding planner books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Do-It-Yourself is centered around successfully officiating your ceremony with step-by-step assistance on how to file your paperwork, obtain your marriage license, and other intimidating tasks like composing the perfect vow to your future spouse. It covers a multitude of religions and explains the steps to becoming ordained. However, it is scant on non-traditional advice. At number 9, written by comedian Jamie Lee, Weddiculous, an unfiltered guide, serves as a respite from bridal anxieties. It walks you through the preparation process with funny first-hand insights, practical timelines, and realistic suggestions designed to keep you calm and entertained. It tackles unrealistic expectations, and the text is succinct and purposeful, but it is too cynical for some. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For those who crave design inspiration and palettes that pop, Weddings in Color will provide endless creative insights. Geared toward contemporary brides, this aesthetically pleasing volume is brimming with DIY projects and is divided into sections that are easy to follow. It offers an informative introduction and makes abstract ideas accessible. However, it doesn't include color pairings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding planner books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, husbands-to-be need counsel too, and that's where the groom's guide comes in. Written with a witty tone, this helpful handbook has sage advice on how to choose your best man, find the right tuxedo, and tackle the first dance, all while taking ownership of your big day. It features comprehensive style direction and steers clear of typical stereotypes, but it's a bit lean on finance management. Moving up our list to number 6. Well-organized and inclusive, Equally Wed not only acknowledges with useful advice the typical hurdles most partners face, it also helps them navigate emotionally taxing issues such as homophobic family members and how to hire vendors who support the LGBTQ community. It avoids heteronormative terminology and includes an explanatory lexicon. However, it could use more worksheets. Halfway up our list at number 5. A practical planner focuses on smart, efficient advice meant to soothe anxieties and solve the intricate, sometimes overwhelming issues that come with organizing your nuptials. It helps you take action with a handful of spreadsheets, shortcuts, and plenty of reassurance. It includes an alcohol calculator and outlines the risks and rewards of doing it yourself. But be aware that the author does use profanity. At number 4, modern couples will appreciate the information Loverly Guide offers when it comes to bucking tradition and evolving conventions. It streamlines your process with unorthodox recommendations and stunning images. Plus, it addresses same-sex unions and special circumstances. It's also suitable for renewing your vows and is approachable yet detailed. However, it's not as interactive as other options. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For those who prefer to write everything down, the Not Ultimate Organizer is a hands-on tool that makes preparing for the big day a breeze. It features detailed timelines and checklists to keep things in order, plus extensive vendor information and money-saving tips. It includes a handy color swatch page and helpful budget breakdown worksheets. It's concise and to the point. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding planner books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, an incredible resource for cost-conscious partners, Budget Savvy Essentials is both practical and realistic, offering interactive tools and insider tips in addition to genuine solutions and finance breakdowns from actual couples. It helps put priorities in order and addresses every part of the ceremony. It's very easy to follow. And taking the top spot on our list, written by professional event organizer Mindy Weiss, the wedding book is a comprehensive guide intended for any vision and budget. This in-depth manual has an answer for everything, from how to choose porta potties to the best way to utilize apps like Pinterest and Uber. It includes insights on contract negotiation and presents surprising historical facts. It's written with a down-to-earth writing style. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding planner books, or simply click beneath this video.